Do you want to make a full-time income selling cell phones? The cell phone industry has huge potential with $457 billion in annual sales. Data shows that 97% of men and 98% of women have cell phones. Since not everybody has the money to buy the newest iPhone, the pre-owned cell phone market brings huge opportunities for you. This equals money in your pockets. However, you must be careful because some phones simply just don't sell. And you'll be stuck with junk if you don't know which phones to buy. Are you tired of slow sales? Are you tired of dead inventory that just sits there for months losing its value? Are you tired of not knowing where to buy these phones or even sell them quickly for a great profit? That's where our 21 years of combined experience comes in. Save months or years of time by learning from someone that has been in the industry for a very long time. Imagine having more certainty, a more secure way of selling phones consistently, backed by data-proven sales. No more guessing. Stop sourcing phones that simply don't sell. Let me show you how I made $559,000 last year, 2021, and how you can too. Our simple 4-step system will show you how to get your first sale within 7 days. Number 1, wholesale for bigger profits. Number 2, hands-off online store that does the selling for you. Number 3, we'll show you how to have people anxiously wanting to sell you their phones locally for even more profits. Number 4, marketing. How this automated sales machine will make you money even if you're not working yourself. If you do this on your own, it'll cost you tens of thousands of dollars, as well as many months or years of your life trying to figure this out by yourself. Save yourself time and money by avoiding paying for employees, paying for mistakes, paying for fraud orders, paying for the thieves that steal from you. Since we have learned all these hard lessons already, I can show you a better and easier way. Since all the sales are coming from your online storefront, then you won't have any more rent or lease expenses, saving you thousands of dollars a month on this alone. Saving you time by not being at the store all day, and the list goes on and on and on. Are you ready to start making daily sales? Click on the link below to get started right away.